Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we're looking into a game-changing aspect of ChatGPT plugins. Whether you're a business professional, a content creator, or simply someone looking to streamline your tasks, ChatGPT plugins can take your productivity to a whole new level. Now let's explore some of the best ChatGPT plugins and how they can help boost your efficiency and creativity. First up, we have Wolfram, a powerful computational tool. If you're into data analysis, advanced math, or scientific research, this is your go-to plugin. With Wolfram, you can create graphs, generate real-time data visualizations, and perform complex calculations without leaving ChatGPT. Whether you're a student or a professional, Wolfram is like having a personal math assistant at your fingertips. Next, let's talk about Zapier. If you're tired of switching between apps to manage tasks, this plugin is your solution. Zapier connects with over 5,000 apps, allowing you to automate workflows directly from ChatGPT. Whether it's sending emails or updating spreadsheets, Zapier turns ChatGPT into a command center for your daily operations. It's a must-have for anyone looking to streamline business tasks or simplify everyday activities. Another super handy plugin is Link Reader. Imagine you're doing research and need quick summaries from multiple websites. Link Reader has you covered. It fetches content from URLs and provides you with concise summaries. This makes gathering information much faster, especially for researchers or content creators who are constantly referencing online sources. If you want to get better responses from ChatGPT, try Prompt Perfect. This plugin helps you structure your prompts more effectively, ensuring that ChatGPT delivers more accurate and relevant answers. It's perfect for anyone who wants to improve their interactions with ChatGPT, whether you're writing content, coding, or just exploring new ideas. Now, how about turning ChatGPT's responses into speech? With the Speak plugin, you can. This feature is especially useful for visually impaired users or those who prefer listening over reading. Plus, it supports multiple languages and accents, making it accessible to people worldwide. Whether you're learning or multitasking, Speak adds a whole new layer of convenience to ChatGPT. And for all the marketers and designers out there, Canva integrates with ChatGPT to bring your visual content to life. From social media graphics to presentations, you can create stunning visuals without leaving the chat. Just type your commands, and Canva will help design it for you. Perfect for anyone who wants to enhance their branding or marketing efforts. In conclusion, ChatGPT plugins offer powerful tools to enhance productivity, creativity, and convenience across various tasks. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, plugins like Wolfram, Zapier, and Link Reader can simplify complex tasks such as data analysis, workflow automation, and research. Prompt Perfect improves your ChatGPT interactions, while Speak adds accessibility by turning text into speech. For marketers and designers, Canva integrates smoothly to help create stunning visuals. Overall, these plugins make ChatGPT a versatile tool, streamlining both professional and everyday tasks. These are just a few of the amazing plugins available for ChatGPT, but the possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking to automate workflows, generate creative content, or analyze data, there's a plugin that fits your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TrueHost Academy for more tips and tricks to elevate your productivity. Let us know in the comments which plugin you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.